Hello, it's Carolyn here with another Swiss travel tip for you. Today I wanted to chat to you about cable car closures. So during the winter ski season and the start of the summer season, many of the cable cars, the mountain railways and funiculars close for a period of maintenance. So if you're heading somewhere in Switzerland and you're hoping to do a trip up to one of the mountains, it really is worthwhile checking in advance to see if that cable car or mountain railway will be operating when you are there. Aside from those scheduled maintenance times, there are occasions when the cable cars can be shut down due to the weather conditions. So if it's a particularly windy day, for instance, the cable car operators might decide to stop running it for a certain period of time. Now, this could be, as short as 15 to 30 minutes, but it could actually force the closure for a whole day. And it's very unfortunate, and it sometimes can mess up your travel plans, but unfortunately it's for safety reasons. Well, perhaps fortunately it's for safety reasons. So it's being closed for an actual purpose with the safety of visitors in mind. Now we have an article on holidaystoSwitzerland.com where we keep as up to date as possible the closure dates for the major mountain railways, cable cars and funiculars in Switzerland that most tourists visit. So thinking of the likes of the Schilton, Jungfraujoch, some of the mountain railways only actually operate during the warmer months. The Pilatus cogwheel train, for instance, only operates when there's no snow around. So it's usually from late April, early May until late October, early November. So keep in mind all those dates. Some of the others, like the Schiniger Plattbahn, again, it's a cogwheel train, so it's only operating in the warmer months when there's no snow around. So just be familiar with the kind of transport that you'll need to take to get to the mountain that you plan to visit, and do check in advance to make sure it's not going to be having its annual maintenance on your dates, and fingers crossed you won't have any effects from bad weather closures like particularly windy days either. I'll link to the article that we have on the website. As I mentioned, we try and keep it as up to date as possible. So that's always a handy reference for you. For other ways to check in advance, you can visit the website of the mountain that you're going to. And there's usually, in 99% of the cases, a webcam on their website. So you can look at the current weather, the live vision of the conditions on the top of the mountain, and this can help you plan before you go up. For instance, in the morning, if you can see, if you wake up in the morning and it's a perfectly clear blue sky, you might think, yep, today we're going to go while the weather's great, rather than put it off and hope for the best the next day. So just a few tips there about cable car, mountain railway and funicular operations. There are plenty of other Swiss travel tips on our website as well. So do visit holidaystoSwitzerland.com. And of course, we have a podcast, the Holidays to Switzerland Travel Podcast, where we chat with Swiss experts about different destinations, transport, every topic you can imagine that's related to visiting Switzerland. So search that wherever you get your podcasts, or you can find it on our website as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another Swiss travel tip.